Hi there, my name is Randall Sokoloff, and I thought I'd do this little video as a demonstration on how mindfulness can be used to help teenagers who are dealing with anxiety or anger or depression. Mindfulness can be really effective for teenagers. Usually, when you're younger and your mind is working in crazy ways, you don't really know how to control things. You don't really know how to ground yourself. And so mindfulness can be one really effective tool that a teenager can use to help them feel more in control and grounded. So here's a little demonstration of what that's like. Theo is my guest, and you can do some mindfulness meditation with Theo and then see how he feels about it, what it does. So here's what you do. So you just close your eyes and just see if you can just notice your breathing. Just follow your breathing, moving in and out through your nose. Notice your chest expanding and contracting as you breathe in and out. Notice sounds that you're hearing. Notice your feet touching the ground. See if you can become aware. Notice if your mind seems like it's really active, if you're having a lot of thoughts. That's perfectly normal. But see if you can just notice if you're thinking a lot. And see if you can start to shift your attention away from your thoughts and into the present moment. See if you can really just be here, right now, not lost in thought. So just see if you can begin to follow your breathing, moving in and out through your nose, in the same way that you would follow a tennis ball as it moves back and forth across a tennis court. And just follow your breathing. Pay attention to it. It's a thing that's keeping you alive, so see if you can just notice your breathing as it moves in through your nose and back out. Notice the sound of the car going by. Notice any other sounds that you hear. Notice your feet touching the ground, your body sitting on the couch. Just begin to shift out of thinking, being identified with thinking, and become aware of your breathing, sounds that you're hearing, sensations in your body, feet touching the ground. See if you can just come more and more into the present moment, into right now. So you're becoming more conscious, more aware, and less identified with mental chatter. You're just kind of waking up in the present moment and just becoming more conscious of where you are right now. And just following your breathing as it moves in through your nose and back out. Breathing in, breathing out. Noticing sounds that you hear. And see if you notice when you become lost in thought again, when you start thinking again. And then see if you can just shift out of that, come back to your breathing, back to sounds that you're hearing, back to noticing sensations in your body. And see if you can really just be right here, right now. Just notice what that feels like. Just noticing how right here, right now, everything is fine. It's all good. You're okay. See if you can just hang out here for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Just stay present. As you breathe in, you breathe out. Now, feel free to open your eyes and come back into the room. And just quickly for me and the viewing audience, which is still there. What do you notice?
Well, whenever I first start with meditation, when we do our sessions, I feel very scattered. Is the best way to put it, like a scattered room. But after about, I'd say a minute of just breathing and then noticing sounds one by one, it's like as I start to notice the things, it's like I'm picking up the cluttered room.
Yeah.
And then I have a nice, clean room, and I feel that it just relaxes me.
Yeah.
It
like brings it all together.
Exactly. And I feel, because I have a very hyperactive mind, but after the meditation, I feel very organized, neat, and just calm, relaxed.
So you're able to like bring it all together and calm yourself down.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's great.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, that's exactly how mindfulness can help somebody who's younger and also someone who's older. But that's a perfect example of the beneficial effects of mindfulness practice. Yeah. So thank you, Theo.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching. Hope it's helpful. Take care.